Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me who nursing into your friend, and you're watching the Karbi reaction videos. If you are new in this channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any one of my videos here. Today guys, another comedian from Africa, and their name is what's called here Mark and their comedy. Work and their comedy. Have you ever watched of their comedy, my guys? And I used to watch it from before, many, I think 2-3 years before, and their comedy is very nice. But here in
I will recruit you. I will step out. Do attention.
Left or right?
Use your right. At easy. Do like this. Turn around. Turn around. Turn. You are recruited. You are recruited.
their comedy, so keep watching and join me. Oh, we are back with the great comedian from Africa, Mark and their comedy. Come on, let's watch now. Here's the Mark and their count. This another one is Kalitus. Okay, for uniform. It's a federal government. Look. Police. I will recruit you, don't worry. Hey, it's Friday. That is the video. And they used to release their video only on a Friday. I didn't know that. That is it. See you the next Friday. So guys, how was the video? I hope you like the video. So please subscribe my channel so that okay. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, your friend who nursing English, and you're watching the Karbi reaction videos channel. If you are new in this channel, I welcome you and I invite you to like this video and subscribe this channel to be a part of this Karbi reaction videos family. And if you are my subscriber, I thank you for supporting this channel to grow and watching all my videos. And I hope you are fine and will supporting to grow this channel. Thank you so much.